Westfest 2022 Family Fun Fest was held at Stony Brook School on Saturday, September 24th following a 2-year hiatus. The event was organized by Westford Education Foundation, and proceeds from the event and donations are used to support activities at all public schools, including Neshoba Valley Technical High School. Attendees enjoyed visiting the many vendors, food trucks, as well as activities offered by the local nonprofits, which include carnival games, face painting, henna tattoos, music, and much more.